Come test drive the 2011 Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, heated steering wheel, cruise control, multifunction display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.